What is the national sport of Canada in the winter? Ice hockey. What is the national sport of Brazil? Football. What is the national sport of Japan? Sumo wrestling. Which country's national sport is Taekwondo? South Korea. What is the national sport of India? Field hockey. Which country considers rugby union as its national sport? New Zealand. What is the national sport of Bhutan? Archery. What is the national sport of Cuba? Baseball. What is the national sport of Pakistan? Hockey. What is the national sport of Sweden? Bandy. And what about national sport of Philippines? Arnis. What is the national sport of Venezuela? Baseball. And national sport of UK? It's cricket. And national sport of Scotland? Golf. What about national sport of Australia? Cricket. National sport of the USA? It's baseball. Which country's national sport is judo? Japan. What is the national sport of South Africa? Rugby. What about national sport of Sri Lanka? Volleyball. Which country's national sport is pato? Argentina. What is the national sport of Mongolia? Wrestling. What is the national sport of North Korea? Taekwondo. What is the national sport of China? Table tennis. What about national sport of Nepal? It's volleyball. Which country's national sport is bullfighting? Spain. What is the national sport of Turkey? Oil wrestling. What about national sport of Israel? It's football. What is the national sport of Iceland? Handball. And national sport of Nigeria? It's football. National sport of France. It's football. And what about national sport of Malaysia? Badminton. Which country's national sport is hurling? Ireland. What is the national sport of Lithuania? Basketball. What is the national sport of Germany? Football. What is the national sport of Italy? Football. Which country's national sport is ice hockey? Russia. What about national sport of Peru? It's volleyball. What is the national sport of Portugal? It's football. What about national sport of Netherlands? It's football. And national sport of Russia? Bandy. National sport of Armenia? It's wrestling. What is the national sport of Fiji? It's rugby. Which country's national sport is cross-country skiing? It's Norway. What is the national sport of Greece? Football. What about national sport of Egypt? It's football. And national sport of New Zealand? Rugby. What about national sport of Denmark? It's handball. Which country's national sport is water polo? Hungary. What is the national sport of Iran? Wrestling. What is the national sport of Singapore? It's football. What about national sport of Malaysia? It's badminton. Which country's national sport is volleyball? Sri Lanka. What about national sport of Ethiopia? Athletics. And national sport of Jamaica? It's track and field. National sport of Haiti. Football. Which country's national sport is cricket? England. What is the national sport of Kenya? Athletics. Which country has baseball as its national sport? Cuba. What is the national sport of South Korea? Taekwondo. What is the national sport of Wales? Rugby. What about national sport of Georgia? Rugby. Which country's national sport is table tennis? China. What about national sport of Austria? It's skiing. Which country's national sport is ice hockey? Canada. What is the national sport of Poland? Volleyball. Which country's national sport is roller hockey? Portugal.